Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we've got an exciting topic for you, making money through dropshipping in 2023. If you've been searching for a flexible and low-risk way to start your own online business, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our future videos. Now, let's get started. So, what exactly is dropshipping? In simple terms, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the product physically. Now, let's move on to the first step. Choosing the right niche is crucial for dropshipping success. Look for trending products and niches with high demand but relatively low competition. Tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and e-commerce platforms can help you identify profitable niches. Now that you've selected your niche, it's time to set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even Etsy can be great options. Make sure your store is user-friendly, visually appealing, and optimized for conversions. Finding reliable suppliers is key to dropshipping success. Consider using platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Saleho to connect with reputable suppliers. Look for products with good reviews and reasonable shipping times to ensure customer satisfaction. The success of your dropshipping business heavily depends on effective marketing. Utilize social media advertising, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO, to drive traffic to your store. Create engaging content to build a brand and connect with your audience. Excellent customer service is essential for any successful dropshipping business. Respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any issues, and ensure a smooth purchasing experience. Positive reviews and satisfied customers can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Regularly analyze your store's performance using analytics tools. Identify top-performing products, track customer behavior, and optimize your marketing strategies accordingly. Stay adaptable and be ready to tweak your approach based on data-driven insights. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money through dropshipping in 2023. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, continuous learning, and staying ahead of the trends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!